Hey everyone, welcome back! Today I'm diving into the top AI tools of 2025 that are revolutionizing how we work, create, and even live. Buckle up because the future is here. Let's jump in. First up, ChatGPT-5 and DeepSeek AI. ChatGPT-5 is your go-to for writing, coding, and research, offering smarter and faster responses than ever. DeepSeek AI, on the other hand, is perfect for real-time search and AI-generated insights. Need instant ideas or expert-level answers? These tools are game changers, making work 10 times easier. Next on the list, Runway Gen 3. Ever wanted to create Hollywood-level VFX in minutes? This AI tool generates videos from text prompts, offers real-time background removal and object tracking. It's a game changer for filmmakers, YouTubers, and content creators. Now let's talk about Leonardo AI and Midjourney V6. Leonardo AI is perfect for graphic design and concept art, while Midjourney V6 brings hyper-realistic AI image generation to the table. From logos to digital paintings, these tools let anyone become a pro designer without years of experience. Moving on, we have 11 Labs 2.0. This tool offers ultra-realistic AI voice generation for podcasts, audiobooks, and dubbing. It can even clone voices perfectly and translate them into multiple languages. Imagine creating a podcast or voiceovers that sound almost human. It's a must-have for content creators. Then there's AutoGPT and Agent GPT. These AI agents perform complex tasks automatically, from market research to project management and customer support. They integrate seamlessly with business and personal tools to automate workflows. Imagine an AI assistant that works 24/7 for you. Scary good, right? And here are some bonus AI tools you can't ignore in 2025. Grammarly AI for writing and grammar, Perplexity AI for deep research, Suno AI for music and soundtracks, and Notion AI for productivity and note-taking. So which AI tool is your favorite? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to stay ahead in 2025, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for the latest AI tools and tech updates. Check out my next video on AI predictions for 2030. Thanks for watching. Let's dive deeper into the world of AI with some more groundbreaking tools that are set to revolutionize 2025 and beyond. Stay tuned. First up, we have Synthesia 4.0. This tool takes video creation to the next level with AI avatars that can speak multiple languages, making global communication easier than ever. Imagine creating a marketing video that can cater to audiences worldwide with just a few clicks. Next, meet Jasper AI. This tool specializes in generating creative content from blog posts to social media updates, all tailored to your brand's voice. It's like having a personal content strategist available 24/7. Another standout is Neuralink's brain-computer interface. This futuristic technology allows for direct communication between the human brain and computers. While still in its early stages, the potential applications for healthcare, education, and beyond are limitless. Let's not forget about Replica AI, your AI companion that understands and supports you emotionally. It's designed to provide mental health support and companionship, making it a valuable tool in our increasingly digital lives. Finally, there's OpenAI's DALL-E 3. This AI generates stunning original images from textual descriptions. Whether you're a designer looking for inspiration or just someone who loves art, DALL-E 3 is a creative powerhouse. As we look ahead, these tools are not just transforming industries, but also enhancing our everyday lives. Which of these groundbreaking AI tools excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the future of AI. See you in the next video. As we continue our journey into the AI landscape of 2025, let's explore some more incredible innovations that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. First up in this extended list is Synthesia AI. This tool allows you to create professional AI-generated videos in minutes. Perfect for marketing, training, and personal use, Synthesia AI makes video production more accessible than ever before. Imagine crafting a personalized training module for your team or a dynamic marketing video for your brand without any prior video editing skills. Next, we have Codex by OpenAI. This tool can convert natural language into code, making software development more intuitive and accessible. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a complete beginner, Codex can help you bring your ideas to life faster and with fewer barriers. Another game changer is DeepMind's AlphaFold. This AI has cracked one of biology's biggest challenges: predicting protein structures. Its implications for drug discovery, disease understanding, and biotechnology are profound, potentially leading to breakthroughs that could change the course of medicine. Let's also highlight Grammarly AI, which has evolved beyond grammar checking to become a full-fledged writing assistant. It helps you with tone, clarity, and even creativity, ensuring your written communication is polished and impactful. Finally, there's Tesla's full self-driving AI. While still in the development phase, this ambitious project aims to make autonomous driving a reality, promising safer and more efficient transportation. Imagine a future where your car drives you to work while you relax or catch up on emails. These AI tools are not just advancing technology, they're enhancing our capabilities and transforming our lives in ways we could only dream of a few years ago. Which of these exciting AI innovations captures your imagination? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and remember, the future of AI is unfolding right before our eyes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the fascinating world of AI. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Next, we have Jasper AI. This AI writing assistant helps you create high-quality content quickly and efficiently. From blog posts to social media content, Jasper AI has got you covered. Imagine having a tool that understands your tone, style, and intent, crafting engaging and impactful content in a fraction of the time it would normally take. Whether you're a blogger, marketer, or business owner, Jasper AI can significantly enhance your productivity and creativity. It's like having a professional writer at your fingertips, ready to help you convey your message with precision and flair. As we move further into an AI-driven world, tools like Jasper AI are not just conveniences, but essential allies in our digital toolkit. What type of content would you create with Jasper AI? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, stay tuned for more insights into the revolutionary world of AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting updates. Until next time, keep creating and innovating. Another exciting tool is Replica AI. This AI companion is designed to provide emotional support and companionship, making it a unique addition to the AI landscape. Imagine having a friend who is always there to listen, chat, and even offer advice when you need it the most. Replica AI learns from your conversations and interactions, becoming a personalized confidant that understands your feelings and preferences. Whether you're feeling lonely, stressed, or just in need of a friendly chat, Replica AI is there to provide comfort and understanding. It's like having a supportive friend in your pocket, ready to lift your spirits and offer companionship whenever you need it. As we continue to explore the incredible potential of AI, tools like Replica AI remind us that technology can also touch our hearts and provide meaningful human connections. What would you talk about with your Replica AI companion? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating insights into the world of AI. Until next time, stay connected and take care. Let's not forget about DALL-E 3. This AI image generator can create stunning visuals from textual descriptions, pushing the boundaries of creativity and design. Imagine describing a scene or an idea in words and watching it come to life as a beautifully crafted image. With DALL-E 3, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're an artist seeking inspiration, a designer in need of unique visuals, or just someone who loves to explore the limits of imagination, DALL-E 3 is a game changer. This tool leverages advanced AI to understand and interpret your descriptions, producing images that are not only accurate but also artistically impressive. As we continue to embrace the advancements in AI, tools like DALL-E 3 remind us that technology can be a powerful ally in our creative journeys. What would you create with DALL-E 3? Share your ideas in the comments below, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting updates on the latest in AI innovation. Until next time, keep dreaming and creating. Finally, we have Codex AI. This tool is a game changer for developers, offering advanced code generation and debugging capabilities. It's like having a coding assistant at your fingertips. Imagine being able to describe what you want your code to do, and Codex AI generates the code for you, saving you hours of work. It can also help you debug existing code, identifying errors and suggesting fixes with impressive accuracy. For seasoned developers, Codex AI can handle complex coding tasks, allowing you to focus on the bigger picture and innovate faster. For beginners, it serves as an invaluable learning tool, guiding you through coding processes and helping you understand best practices. With Codex AI, the world of programming becomes more accessible and efficient for everyone. As we look to the future, tools like Codex AI are set to revolutionize the way we approach software development. What would you build with the help of Codex AI? Let us know in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest in AI technology. Until next time, keep coding and creating. So there you have it. More AI tools that are set to make waves in 2025. From revolutionizing software development with Codex AI to enhancing creativity, emotional support, and content creation, these AI innovations are poised to transform our daily lives. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the latest AI tools and tech trends.